my heartiest gratitude and Sashtanga Pranam with core of my heart. And on behalf of the Ananda Marga Prachara Sangha, on behalf of the Ananda Marga School, and on behalf of the principal, and also I offer my best compliments, best wishes, namaskar to the today's honorable chief guest, guest of honor, and special guests, others all the dignitaries guests, and the invited guardians, inviting others guests, and beloved my students, and all the audience. And also, I offer my heartiest thanks and compliments, best wishes, namaskar also all the neighbors. The sound is wherever goes and they are listening my words. I offer my heartful thanks also them encouraging or request me to say few words about the Ananda Marga education system. The before Ananda Marga, everybody know the Ananda Marga means the path of the bliss, path of the infinite happiness, path of the bliss, path of the pleasure. And I appeal in front of the Ananda Marga Prachara Sangha, those who are the newcomers and listening the Ananda Marga, I expect or I request them know about the Ananda Marga. And if we turn about the history, ancient education page of the world, we shall find that Eastern world and Western world, many educationists, many philosophers come in this world and explain and define their education. Like in Western world of the education, Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, Rousseau, Montessori, Machiavelli, different educationists come and explain and define about the education. In the Eastern world also, we have found that many educationists, like in the ancient age, many sages and rishis are there, and in the 7,000 years ago, also Lord Sadashiva came in this world, and Lord Krishna also 3,500 years ago, and also Lord Buddha, Shankaracharya, Kautilya, they came, Ramakrishna, Vivekananda, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Aurobindo Ghosh, and Mahatma Gandhi, many Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose come in this education system and enrich the education system. And they also give many types of education system. Someone said the playway system education system, someone define or explain the kindergarten education system, someone define or explain the nursery education system, someone said the primary education system, someone said the progressive education system. But in the present age, in the 20th century, Sri Ananda Murthy ji explain about the new humanistic education system. New humanistic education system is completely based on the spirituality of new humanism, not humanism, new humanism. Why humanism? The humanism is the welfare only for human beings, but new humanism is newly defined, newly explain about the future, explain of the present, and explain of the past, and all the creatures of this universe, love, care, and respect. This is the new humanism. New humanism means not only welfare of the human being, that is all the flora and fauna, all the plants, all the animals of the man and human being. This philosophy is called new humanism, and new humanism love for the juniors, respect for the seniors, and care for all the creatures of this universe. This is the new humanism. And Sri Ananda Murthy ji, this education system is called new humanism education system. And new humanism education system base is completely spirituality. This is the difference between the other education system and Ananda Marga, proponent Sri Sri Ananda Murti ji, in the new humanistic education system. What is the purpose of the education system? The purpose of the education system to acquire the knowledge, to create the one ideal human being in this universe. But maybe other education carry progressive education system, we shall find that maybe he acquired the knowledge, maybe he is doing the service or post or rank, but the purpose of the education system is to create an ideal human being. This is the purpose. In the new humanistic education system, man should be established in ideological human being. You are just watching in front of the dais from the first to last, the little students performing the best performance, and I hope in future they will be ideal human being in the society, and they will be the vanguard of the society. We know everyone that students today, the little students are the assets of the human society, are the future of the nation. They are the backbone of the human society. So we try to build their character. In future, they will be an ideal and human being in the human society and lead the human society. So the purpose of the humanistic education to build one and individual human society. In this human society, there is no any disparity between any kinds of man. There is no any caste. We are only one caste, that is human being. There is no any other dharma. There is only one dharma, that is human dharma. So the students are doing in the prayer system in our school, Harar Pita Gauri Mata Swadesha Bhavanatra. The